Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode from Hanora 3D. Think we are working on a vehicle project and we had to make a curve look rooftop. So, how do we create that? Generally, we build it step by step by extruding the parts. However, we also know if we don't build that with the proper topology, sometimes we have to face some pins and shading issues when going to smooth the mesh. I think you have faced it at least once and struggled too many times to make it properly. So, I believe at the end of this video you will get an answer and won't worry about it anymore. Alright, now let's see how we can make it easy without any hard process. Okay, first let's see if there's any primitive object that provides 3ds Max for our duty. If we go to the extended primitive, we can use the chamfer box. So we can see the top area is flat and the board area has a curve shape. Sometimes this will be the best and easy option depending on what kind of shape we have to make. Alright, now I will show you the easy method instead of the chamfer box. If you think you can imagine what I am gonna do. Yes, let's do that with the box and turbo smooth. Alright, just if add the turbo smooth to the box directly without any extra segments, you can see this is not the desired shape we expected. So if anyone thinks to reach in the desired shape with FFD at this stage, I recommend please hold a moment. Okay, now we need rounded corners without these ellipse shapes. For that, add 2 segments and then apply the turbo smooth. Okay then, now we can proceed with the 50. Okay guys, I think you can try this way to reach your expected shape. So, see you at the next video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That will help others discover this video.